Ladies and gentlemen of the press, this is a statement from the Central Committee of ODM held today on 12th January 2026. Now, the statement of this meeting was held in Kilifi County on 12th January 2026. The Central Committee of the Orange Democratic Movement, ODM, met in Kilifi County on January 12th, 2026 to review the political, organizational, and strategic state of the party and resolved as follows. ODM at 20 anniversary celebrations. The Central Committee received and reviewed a comprehensive report on the marking of the party's 20th anniversary. The committee expressed its satisfaction with the successful organization, broad national participation, and political significance of the celebration, noting that the events reaffirmed ODM's enduring relevance, resilience, and roots in the struggle for democracy, social justice, and inclusive governance. On November 2025, by elections performance. The Central Committee reviewed the outcome of the November 2025 by elections, during which the party fielded candidates in 3 parliamentary constituencies and emerged victorious in all. The committee noted with appreciation the confidence demonstrated by voters in ODM candidates. Early preparations for the 2027 elections. The Central Committee noted that general elections will be held next year and resolved that the party cannot afford to wait to begin preparations. The committee directed that structured work commence immediately towards positioning ODM not only to contest next year's general elections, but to form the next government, including policy development, organizational readiness, coalition building, and candidate preparedness. Review of the progress of a 10-point agenda, especially compensation for victims of protests. The Central Committee resolved to continue the review of the implementation of the 10-point agenda, especially the unresolved matter of compensation for victims of public protests, noting that the courts have declared the proposed panel of experts on compensation of victims of demonstrations and public protests unlawful. The committee resolved to propose that any compensation monies be channeled through the constitutionally and legally recognized institutions, specifically the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights. 5. Pre-election political alliances. The committee meeting expressed the intention to initiate structured negotiations with different political formations, beginning with the United Democratic Alliance. To this end, we have mandated the party leader to commence this process. Concurrently, consultations with party members will proceed, culminating in the National Delegates Convention. 6. Compliance with Political Parties Act and regulations. The Central Committee received a report of the Auditor General and was satisfied for the 20th year running The party has been commended for maintaining clean books. It was also satisfied that ODM is one of the few parties that the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties found to be fully compliant with the Political Parties Act. A Central Committee mandated the relevant party organs to operationalize these resolutions and report progress to the appropriate leadership structures. Issued ODM Central Committee, Kilifi County, January 12, 2026. Honorable Sosi, who is the deputy party leader, is in South Africa, and he has sent his apologies for being unable to attend. He tried to travel, but he was unable to. Honorable Sifuna also sent his apologies for this meeting. He missed his flight. And so both of them have the permission of the committee to be absent. Yes. Yeah, lakini unasema kuna tofauti kati ya members ya party. Hakuna. Ile yote ambayo inaendelea ni demokrasia tu, kwa sababu party yetu imeruhusu watu kuongea na watu wanaongea maoni tofauti, lakini vile tumesema sisi tutaendelea kuongea, tutaendelea kuimarisha chama yetu na chama itaendelea kuwa mmoja.